lot of people, they pay like to live in Bangkok, like the center. They pay like, they'll pay that like 16 or they'll pay 20,000, and the room will only be like 28 square meters or 27 square meters. But this one was 30, I think she said it was 38 square meters, including the garden and stuff outside. So as y'all seen, it's a pretty decent size, and that was for 16. So I think that's a decent price. What's going on, guys? That man Don here, and today I'm gonna be bringing you guys another apartment condo tour. Now, I think when I booked this appointment, right, I chose a different condominium, but when I contacted the person, they were like, I have a 1-bedroom for you to see, it's beautiful, but they said it's an iCondo, which is in the same condominium that we just viewed in the previous video. So I'm hoping that is not the same room. I wanted to view this 2-bedroom condo, and on the website it was in a different location. So maybe she was like, oh, I have another 1-bedroom as well. So I don't know if we're gonna go to 2 different spots or if we're gonna stay in iCondo. I'm gonna have to, you know, question her about that, or him, whoever it is, when we get to the place. But let's go, man. We have some more condos to look at, so let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm arrived at iCondo, waiting for the agent. She said building, I keep saying she, but I don't know if it's a girl or a guy. It's so hot out here, oh my goodness. Not even hot, it's like humid. But yeah, hopefully she take us to a different condo that we didn't see the other day. And hopefully I get to see the one that I actually sent her, because it looks really nice on the website. So hopefully we can see it. I didn't show y'all this the other day, but they have some stuff. Looks like this one not working right now, but they got a little quick medic center thing. Got some water. Got a 7-Eleven machine and a towel bin machine. So kind of nice. Oh wait, oh. Yeah.
Nice to see
Nice
you.
to meet you. Are we going to see the 2-bedroom as well?
The 2-bedroom, actually the 2-bedroom is not checked out yet.
Okay.
But let's see the 1-bedroom.
Okay.
But this one quite big, and the price is lower price too.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is quite nice.
Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah.
But this is 1-bedroom. If you want the 2-bedroom, the room available end of this month.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much, do you know how much square?
Actually, this one they offer 19,000, but I'm kind of reduced for you to 16,000.
Okay, and how much square meter?
This 38.
38, okay, that's a lot.
Yeah, and you have a small balcony on yourself too. Yeah. It's very comfortable because of you can entrance to this way and this way.
Yeah.
This actually is the back side or backyard, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. See, they protect the mosquito.
Oh.
Very quiet. No any noise come in the room.
So the bottom floors have a little balcony section. Okay.
Yeah, you can use.
Let's see.
It's quite big.
Yeah.
You know, in this project, only 10 units that have this balcony. Other less at upper floor.
Are these new condos or?
Oh, it's not really new. It's already 6 years.
Oh, they look kind of new.
Yeah, they maintain well.
Oh.
And I got a lot of feedback for the tenant that we have a good management here.
Oh, okay.
And you know, ground floor, and if you bring a friend, so convenient for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it already has shower curtains. Good stuff.
And the TV is smart TV too.
Okay, yeah, a lot of space.
Yeah. If you would like to add like internet, here I prefer AIX for you.
Okay, if I have internet,
You
can
can
I?
move.
Okay.
Yeah, move location to here.
Okay. And everything that's in here comes with it, like the microwave and stuff,
Yeah.
and the stove.
Yes, but you need to buy a pan yourself.
Oh,
And
okay. So that doesn't.
But in the induction, okay. I think this one can use too. It's come with the electric when we bought it. We give for free.
Okay.
Yeah, you can check
So you said you have to buy
the pan, the stone thing,
okay.
and then nothing else.
Okay. Yeah.
When you're cooking, you just open this window and let the air flow here. Because they have a smoke here, right? You can close this one.
Okay. Yeah. Is it a new refrigerator?
Yeah.
You can see. And you say this one they can bring it to 19. You said.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what did you say? 16 or?
16,
Okay.
19 to 16. I have to bargain a lot, nah? But I will try my best.
Yeah.
Actually, they don't want to reduce. Before this one, they have a Canadian building. Yeah, but they just check out.
Okay.
I didn't put on the post. Yes, I think if I post very quick, a lot of demand this unit.
Yeah. I mean, it's nice.
Yeah.
I came here yesterday actually to look at another place.
Oh.
But I think this one they was renovating the other ones, but it was on a fifth floor or something.
Before.
Yeah, but this one I think this one is kind of nicer.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
very convenient. If you want to washing clothes, actually they have a washing machine for you already.
Oh.
Yeah, we have a washing for you. But if you want to dry, just go walk from here through in the end and the room in the end of way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have a drying machine, big one.
Okay.
And the filter water too, water.
Okay. And you have multiple.
Sorry?
You have more condo, like a lot other condos than this one. You have other condos.
For this this layout, I have only, this is last unit.
Oh, last one.
Yeah, but if you prefer the one that you look for, 2-bedroom, that one, I want to show you this one. It's even nicer,
Oh, really?
but expensive a little bit. Yeah, but it's very nice. I show you.
Okay. It's in this location. I mean, this
Yeah.
condo. And
Further from here, the further down to 1.5 kilometers, Lumpini.
okay. But
2-bedroom and 2 bathroom.
somebody is staying here right now.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But they're gonna living end of this month. About 22
Okay.
April.
Okay. Yeah, it's big. How much square
Big.
meters is this one?
Oh, I think 60.
Oh, 60.
60.
Okay, that's huge.
Do you
Yeah.
like this one?
Yeah, I like-
think amazing. It's convenient. For example, you have a guest, right? You can set the bed here
Yeah.
and close the door. When
Yeah.
you have a friend,
Yeah.
no noise come in the bedroom too.
Yeah. It's,
Similar like 2-bedroom already.
yeah. I like this one.
Yeah.
Maybe
And
consider.
you no need to pay 20,000 baht up. This is lower budget. I give you like a lower price, like Thai price.
Yes. Does it have any outlets? Is this the only outlet? Do they
Yeah.
have an outlet?
Only this, the table.
The outlet for the.
Oh, the plug.
Yeah,
You mean
plug. Yeah.
Or the plug. I think one is there. Is I think you need adapter. Adapter
Extender.
here. And I'm not sure. Here have and behind. Only one have. Only here. You need a plug adapter.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, this one is nice. I like this.
Are you working in Thailand?
I have the DTV visa.
Oh wow, amazing! How do you make it? Oh, sorry, which nationality? nationality of you?
American.
Yes, that's why. Many country they want.
Yeah.
So what is cost you come? Your
It's
study?
I just came because I work, online,
Yeah.
so I can work from anywhere.
Wow,
And
amazing.
yeah, I've been here for a year and 6 months already.
Wow.
I stayed over in Lat Prow area.
Lát Tháo.
Yeah, that our first condo over there, and then I moved over here to D condo.
The condo.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. That's why your English is so great. Yeah. So you don't want to, you feel, not say you don't want, I have to ask you that you are happy to being here
Yeah,
in Thailand.
I like Thailand a lot. Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have, friends that want to come move out
sure.
here. Yeah.
You can bring friends come here.
No, they
and
want
walk
to they
here.
want to come live in Thailand.
Yes.
But yeah, this is nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this. And you say you don't. This is your last unit. You don't
Last
have.
unit, really.
Okay. So you don't have any other units in a different.
I have another unit, as I told you, 2-bedroom, but expensive. And another one, they're gonna check out end of this month. The same building, Lumpini, but the size is smaller than this a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you said this one is 30.
Yeah.
38.
38.
Wow.
Because have the balcony too.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's good.
This is the best, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So do you think how long you gonna consider?
Maybe a couple days. I'm still, looking around. Like I said, I was here yesterday too.
Yeah.
But I think I like this room better than the one.
Yeah. Please take decision quickly.
Okay. Yes.
Because of my landlord pushing me to put on the advertise.
Okay.
They're asking me, and did you do advertise? I said, yes, I do. I didn't do yet.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah. Okay. I like this room though. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Closet space. Closet. Decent closet space. As you can see, have more storage up here for stuff. Okay. Okay, yes, very nice.
I wait your feedback, okay?
Yes.
I will off everything and go with you.
Okay, and it has, you can dry your clothes, hang them up. They already had a little stuff right here. Got a washer. And you have this balcony area that you can utilize as well. So it's 16. She said she lowered it to 16. My rent at the first place was 16, so that's like around 500. But this one is like way more space, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's way more space. Good location, right next to the mall. This one not half bad, honestly. Do they leave the if you order food, do they leave it right there or okay?
Yes, this table.
Okay.
It's very convenient.
Okay, yeah, here's the gym. Decent sized gym. Does each building have like a gym, or is it just one?
Yeah,
right?
this gym used for only A and B.
Okay.
But other phase also they have another separate.
Okay.
And over there with the light on, that is library room.
Okay.
In case you want to talk, meeting room, something.
Okay. All right, guys. So that is the 1-bedroom condo for 16,000. So 16 would probably like be around 500 something. That's how much I was paying at my old place. Right now it's saying 501. Can y'all see it? 501. I think that's the lady right there. Is that her? She in a Mercedes. Yeah, she getting the money. She getting to the bag. But yeah, that was actually really nice, that place. So I think this condo has like more newer stuff. She said the condo was built like 6 years ago, but I mean, they keeping it up pretty well. And as the other dude said the other day, they're still renovating some of the other places. So this is looking pretty good if you want to have somewhere with a little bit more space, but you know, outside of the city center, because you know, a lot of people, they pay like to live in Bangkok, like the center. They'll pay that like 16, or they'll pay 20,000, and the room will only be like 28 square meters or 27 square meters. But this one was 30. I think she said it was 38 square meters. 38 square meters, including the garden and stuff outside. So as y'all seen, it's a pretty decent size, and that was for 16. So I think that's a decent price. If I find any other places, I'll try to, you know, I'll try to see if I can get some lower rent places. Maybe try to get some around 10, show y'all some around 10 or below maybe. It's probably not gonna look as good as that one, but I'll see, like I said. And once again, I found that one on the Insider, or what's it called? Living Insider, the app I was telling y'all about in the last previous condo video. So yeah, man, I think I like that one. Let me know what y'all think in the comments section. But it's been that man Don. I'm out, man. Peace.